Do you want to know what really sells at craft fairs? After years of doing these, I'm going to show you the three book styles that fly off my table every single time. Let's go. I'm starting to perfect my setup in my workout room and in my hallway, so this isn't done, but I wanted to show you one of my themes. This is an art show that's on the ocean on Route 1 in Maine, and it's going to be loaded with about 3,000 tourists come to this show. So this is my main theme display. You'll see moose, fishing, pine trees, pine cones, wolves, camps, just all sorts of things that make you think of the state of Maine. We're also an oceanfront show, so I have a little kind of seaside display here that I'm working on. And you can see I have some netting there, and I have a whole bunch of little booklets that just are inspired from anything to do with the ocean and and beach and even some sailing. And I think there's some cute little turtles in here. Yep, sailing. And so that can be another theme. I also made a couple of scrapbooks that look like suitcases, and I'm going to decorate this, but I'm going to have a suitcase on my table. Another theme can be just the look of your book. If you have all buttonhole books on one shelf, that can be a theme because all of your spines look the same. Or I might have a shelf with these really pretty decorated spines that have bling all over them, or a whole shelf where the stitching is showing, or I might have a whole shelf where the spines are covered in fabric. But the look of your spine can be a theme as well. I also have some other little mini booklets, and I do have a tutorial on how I made these, but this could be considered travel as well, just not the state of Maine, I guess, and they're more vintage, so it could be vintage or travel. I have some cityscapes. I have some vintage maps that are really nice, and then I have some kind of urban decay, I guess you would call it. And these you can crank out really quickly. I'll put the link below. So in terms of themes, think travel journals, garden books, baby books, whatever theme speaks to you or your audience. But also, make these gift ready if you can. I like to put mine in clear cellophane, and for some of these, I make little gift sets. I put a pen inside, and now they instantly know who these are for. So think gift ready. Another idea for these little booklets that I made is how about you just stick a bookmark in and then wrap it in some cellophane. Theme 2, lay flat journals. Lay flat journals are made to lay open easily, which writers and journalers love. They look good on a desk and feel premium. I often bind these with a pamphlet stitch, or this one has an exposed spine. It opens flat. It's good for journaling. These are great at between a $15 to $30 price point. Theme 3, mini gift books. Mini gift books are great. These are fast to make and they sell fast too, especially when you price them under $10. People grab them as stocking stuffers, hostess gifts. I even have some gift card holders on one section of my booth. So these are great for an impulse buy. Kids, it's quite often people will come to an art show or a craft fair and they want something to keep the kids quiet, so they might give them a little mini notebook. They're low cost to make, and you can also sell them in bundles. You can do a 2-for-1 or 4-for-1 little bundle or price. The little teeny ones I usually have in sets of 2 in the cellophane, and they're all packaged up and ready to go. So, theme books, lay flat journals, and mini gift books. And if you're prepping for a fair, I would really start with those. And bonus tip, add a little tag or title on the front to catch attention. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know below. And if you want a 7-minute make and sell book, check the link in the description below. I'll see you soon.